Today I am going to be doing a video with my best friend Avis again. And today she's going to show me how to make a random art thing, and we'll see how I do. So let me find somewhere to set this up. I think it'll go good there. And yeah, so let's watch. Give us a second while we get ready.
Okay, so what you're gonna be needing to start off with is a pencil. You have 2 pencils.
Okay, so
you're just gonna draw your basic fireworks.
oh, by the way, she's gonna show me how to do it. Okay, so firework.
Oh my god, look at my shirt.
They can't see it. It's full of cat hair. Okay, my firework.
Do a lot of details on it though.
Okay.
You want to have one big firework.
Oh, I did 3, but whatever.
Turn it into 1.
Turn it into 1.
Okay, so here's mine.
Don't you dare judge me.
And now you're just gonna take some paint. I don't care which one you start with.
Okay.
You're just gonna go deep.
Oh, okay.
And you want to have all the 4th of July colors, so red, white, and blue. Wait, I think that's a flag color.
Mine is interesting. It's not even the 4th of July. I don't get why we're doing this.
I think we're blue to this.
Wow, they're mixing.
Blue, stop working.
Ruined my paint. Okay.
Wait. Help me get the blue out.
Oh,
We're so bad at art.
actually she's good, but I'm horrible. I'm just better at drawing wolves. That's all.
Let me see it.
Okay. Let's see how mine is looking so far. Don't judge.
Nicole, go get paintbrushes.
And didn't you say we need glitter for this?
Yeah. Oh god, there's a pencil tip in the blue.
Well, you did that. Take it out.
Okay, and you're also gonna need some Elmer's glue.
Glitter. Glitter.
So take some Elmer's glue first.
Don't you pour the glitter on, right?
No, take some Elmer's glue first. Did you not hear me? If you need to open it, you can open it. Oh, okay, so I'm just gonna help her.
Okay, that's enough. I don't want to waste all my glitter.
Okay, now
we don't want to be wasteful.
did you get the paintbrushes?
Pour back in. See? Wow.
Dude, we need the paintbrushes.
Okay.
So then you're just gonna they're not paintbrushes, but they're just these little stick things.
Okay. Pour your extra glitter in there, because I'm almost out. We're not. Pour it in. Your extra glitter. I'm almost out. Right. You literally got like 3 pieces of glitter in there. Okay.
And you're just
By the way,
so you're gonna fold your paper around like this.
please subscribe. I want to get to at the most 100 subscribers. I have 1 now.
So it's gonna look really cool when you're done.
Did you fold it?
Yeah, and then I just
Oh, okay.
so yeah, it looks super cool right now. Yeah, you wanna just go just smush it around, like you can open it up, and then
Whoa,
yeah,
it's amazing.
Yeah, and then you want to just do that a couple times. If you need to add more or something, like I need to add some more white, I think, and just do that.
Okay. Well, let me stop it. Whoa. Okay. This is a nifty little craft.
Yeah, you can do this at home.
Oh crap! It's 4 minutes. Wow. Longest video ever. Woo.
Yeah,
Wow,
this is
okay. So this is how it turned out.
this is how mine turned out.
Yeah. So leave a like and
Subscribe, please.
yes, please subscribe.
Oh, and we just want to show you something quick. We used to have a Swish Club.
It was in the past
So,
now.
Stay tuned.
It's backwards. Stay tuned for more.
I want to show you my phone now.
Okay. It's our okay. We get it. So bye guys.